Hey there, ice cream lovers! Welcome back to DIY Dell. I'm Matthew, and today we're diving headfirst into a delicious challenge. You guessed it, we're going to attempt to eat not one, not two, but 6 scoops of ice cream. Are you ready to join me on this sweet adventure? Let's dig in. Behold, the icy masterpiece. 6 scoops of pure indulgence. The different flavors. We got classics like chocolate and vanilla, and some adventurous choices like pistachio and raspberry ripple. That chocolate is so rich and creamy. And this vanilla, it's a timeless classic. Pistachio with its nutty goodness and a unique twist. And the raspberry ripple, oh, it's got that perfect balance of sweet and tangy. Before we dive into this challenge, remember to enjoy ice cream responsibly. Here are a few tips. Take your time and savor each bite. Keep some water nearby to cleanse your palate. Share the experience with friends or family. It's more fun that way.
Don't drink and cream, folks.
Drinking cream.
Alright, no more stalling. Let's see if I can conquer these 6 scoops.
I'll take it.
Wait, Mabel, you use a spoon, you gotta lick it.
Wow, this is heavenly. The mix of flavors and textures is incredible. The creamy vanilla balances the tangy raspberry so well, and I can't get enough of that pistachio crunch. As you can see, it's a race against time. These scoops are starting to melt, but I'm not giving up. Nearing the end. Oh. We're down to the final scoops, and it's been a fantastic journey so far. I eat the last of the ice cream. And there you have it, folks. 6 scoops of ice cream devoured. What an incredible adventure. I hope you enjoyed this sweet challenge as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more delicious content, and let me know in the comments what other food challenges you'd like to see on this channel. And then a transition into... Thanks for joining me on this ice cream extravaganza. Until next time, keep enjoying those sweet treats responsibly. See you in the next video.
That's good.